Welcome to Learnlab Code, an easy-to-use block coder where you can learn the basics of coding. You build with blocks. Each category contains blocks that control how your program works, from movement and logic to math and variables. Drag and combine them to create your code. In this workspace toolbar, you can see different tasks to complete, get task details, and see the related learning concepts to each task. If you need any help completing a task or getting started, click on this help icon here and you will get hints on how to complete your task. This place here is where you meet your robot. Any code you do will make the robot move or respond in various ways when you complete your different tasks. Now let's get started. Now let's start by completing some tasks. The first task is to help the robot introduce itself by printing a message saying hello. If you're unsure how to do this, you can always use the hint icon. You can even show the hint by clicking Show Hint and it will create the code for you. Now once you have created some code, you can run it by clicking Run and you will see the robot in action. You can also see the actual code in this window here. This way you can see exactly how adding a block affects the code that makes the robot respond. Now let's try another task. And this time we'll try to do it ourselves. The task is jump the space rock. The robot is exploring space. Now sometimes a space rock appears in front of the robot. The robot should only jump if there is a rock there. Your program should check if there is a space rock in front of the robot, and if there is a rock that exists, the robot should jump over it. So let's see if we can do that. Now to find blocks that make something happen if something else is a variable, we should look at the logic tab. You can add the do if and go to motion because we want it to jump forward. Now we only want the robot to jump forward if there is a rock there. Now that is a variable, so we'll add is rock there. Now let's see if our code works. There are many different tasks to choose from to solve various different problems, or you can play around and do different things yourself. Learnlab Code is an easy block coder where you can learn all the basics of coding in a fun and interactive way.